Good afternoon. Thanks for coming by the office today. I want to share some information with you about the basics of fire. Um, Starting off, I'd like to begin with the five classes of fire and how the growth process applies to each. Class A fires involve ordinary combustible items such as paper, wood, and plastic. Class B fires involve combustible and flammable liquids and gases. Class C fires involve energized electrical equipment. Class D fires mainly are composed of combustible metals such as titanium and potassium. Class K fires are fires involved with cooking appliances that use vegetable or animal oils and fats. The growth process begins with the ignition stage, where fuels give off flammable vapors and ignite. The next stage is the growth stage, where fire gases are ignited and travel towards the ceiling. The full development phase is when all the fuel in the area of the fire is burning, basically. And then you have the decay stage, which occurs where fuel and oxygen are depleted, in which a backdraft is a possibility. When discussing premixed and diffusion flames, there are similarities and differences. One of the differences is that the diffusion flame temperatures are usually lower than the premixed flames because the diffusion flames are characterized as having incomplete combustion, which releases less heat. A similarity between the two different flames is that they're both visible where the oxidation process occurs. Heat of combustion is the amount of energy a fuel can release when the oxidized, excuse me, heat of combustion is the amount of energy a fuel can release when oxidized. Heat of combustion can be defined as effective, which is the actual amount, or theoretical, which are reduced by the amount of energy lost when fuels change from liquids and solids to gas. Combustion efficiency of fires is never complete due to the loss of heat during the combustion process. The fire triangle includes heat, fuel, and oxygen, and all three of these things are necessary for fire to be sustained. The elimination of either one of those components, the fire goes out. The fire tetrahedron it's similar to the fire triangle in that it's composed of heat, fuel, and oxygen, but it adds one more component, which is the chemical chain reaction. And just like in the fire triangle and the fire tetrahedron, if one of those components is eliminated, the fire goes out. And just to talk a little bit about smoke, smoke is dangerous, of course. Smoke includes the spread of harmful gases and byproducts of fire, of the burning fuel. So unburned byproducts of combustion give off heavier smoke volumes than complete combustion. So just be safe out there, everyone. And that concludes our little talk about the basics of fire. Thank you. If you have any questions, please look me up. Have a great day.